It's Riz, and today I'm gonna be doing some Swoopy Eagle because if you guys didn't know, I like my den to be fully decorated for Christmas. So let's do it. Sorry for background noise, that's my sister's. Can you guys see? Yeah. My camera doesn't catch it, so I have to look at the computer. My camera catches it, but it's hard to play games and film at the same time. So oh my gosh, I'm so bad. I mean, I can't even get by the first one, and that's usually apparently the only one I have a chance of getting by right now. I'm so bad at this game, but I don't know I'm playing it. Practice makes perfect, right? What the heck is... What is this, guys? My computer's on. Computer's going crazy. It doesn't let me cancel some of that thing. So we have to... It's almost like we have a battle to cancel. I have to click it like 100 times. But okay. Okay, let's try to turn my good gaming skills on. I don't know if I have any though. I used to make Roblox videos, but it stopped letting me film with my computer with them, and I couldn't use voice. I mean, we could chat. I guess I could talk to you guys that way, but I know a lot of you like the voice. And like I said, the videos will be getting better soon. It's just when I figure out. In the comments, tell me all any good screen recorders for Windows 7 that are free. You don't have to sign up. You can just like download it and start. I looked probably through a good 300. Okay, that's over-exaggerating. It probably looks like maybe 100. But they're hard to find for me for some reason. Because I don't like to sign up for all of them. Like, I just like to have a free, easy one. And I don't know if there is one like that, but if you guys know of one that's like that, please tell me so I can download it, and yeah. And I might need to get a mic, because I know some screen recorders apps don't have audio, so yeah. I have to get 1,100 gems, so I decided to make a video of me doing this. Oh, we got 3. I thought we got 4 or 5. I'm gonna try to make this video like 7 minutes long. Maybe 8. My first video, which was for me, that was like 10 minutes, like 30 minutes ago, but uploading took a while. But for you guys, who knows? Because you guys get to watch this, and I'm not live. Maybe I should go live and get my live app out. Live.me. I'm gonna just stop talking because I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. I talk to myself a lot when I play Animal Jam. I don't know why. It's weird. I always act like when I'm playing games or something, I always act like I'm filming and it's going on YouTube. So I talk to myself a lot. Okay, but now you guys can just watch. Okay, I think we have enough of this. Let's log out and go see Darcy's cat. Darcy. Hi, Darcy. So yeah, please like and subscribe for more, guys. Awesome.